to my new web application. It could very well be a standalone app, or it could be added to an application already built as an add-on. It's very similar to a light version of YouTube, Netflix, Disney. It doesn't have the subscriber added, but it could well have. You have to log on to participate and watch the videos. You can create your own channel and you can add or upload your personal videos. It keeps a history of your likes and it allows you to watch other videos. You can comment, like, dislike, etc. The videos are put into categories. You can watch full screen and you can see how many views you have had. It comes with 3 identity roles: administrator, moderator, or member. The tabs appear on the top for the role that you acquire. The download is being turned off at this moment until the website gets a little more polish. You can see your comments, history, likes and dislikes. It keeps a record of all. The moderator role allows you to delete foreign movies to keep the application honest. The administrator role allows you to do categories and members, and the My Channel tab appears for all members. Categories is a simple CRUD operation in JavaScript that allows you to add a category or edit a category. The website overall is written in C#. You can lock out a member. If you get a member that gives you a hard time, you can add a role to different members or take roles away. It comes with the standard public front page area with about, contact, privacy pages. If you log on as a simple member, you only get the My Channel tab across the top and a welcome email. The videos can be made full screen. They can be liked and you can see how many views you've had. It only accepts particular files and it knows to turn down files that are too large. The pagination across the bottom works well. Thank you for your time.